In this short tutorial, you will learn how to hide reposts on TikTok. Reposting is when you share someone else's video on your profile. Sometimes, you may want to hide reposted videos from your profile for various reasons. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap on the privacy option. So the thing is that, there is no option to specifically hide reposts, you just have to make your entire TikTok account private. I know this is not convenient, but it is the only option available as of right now. By setting your account to private, only approved followers can view your content. This means that any reposted videos or content you may have shared will be concealed from users who are not following you. Keeping your account private gives you more control over who can see and interact with you. To make your TikTok account private, simply toggle on this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.